So now we will run our project, and this is okay, there's no blog. And first of all, we will create an admin account. So to create an admin account, we will have to use Postman. We have got the 200 response. That means we will be able to log in using this credential as a admin. So let's go to the website and click sign in, and paste the email, and this is the password. So the password, and let's sign in, and we are signed in. And let's go to dashboard, and you can see our name, our mail, and the demo charts. And we will go to categories. There's no category, and we'll add some category. Like the first one is for programming, and the second one we will add for .NET, and we can add another category for the other things. So we'll call this other. And now what we will do, we will go to the site, and we will log out from this account, and we will register for a normal account. So we will go to the sign up mode, and here you can see if we try to submit this, we have the validation. So I will create this account for Andy. So the first name I will put Andy, the last name is Robert, and the email I will just specify andy@gmail.com, and I will put a password. So just submit this. Our account has been created. Now if we log in and go to the dashboard, in the category tab, we don't have to add or edit these categories, because that is for only admin users. And then I will add one blog for Andy. So I will actually copy from the sample blog that is attached to this course. Simply head over to this assets folder, and you will find sample blog. So I will open blog 1, and I will open the description. So this should be the title, the convenience of .NET. Copying this and pasting this title, and whenever I move my mouse out of this text box, let's see the slug. Okay, this is automatically generated, and the subtitle is our very first blog about .NET. So we'll add this, and we'll add this in .NET category. So we will choose this image 1 for this, and this is the preview of the uploaded image. Now we will paste the content, and copy this, paste it here. Now we will submit this, and you can see our first blog is here. Now we can actually filter by the category. Like if we select other, this is not here. If we select programming, this is not here. If we select .NET, it's here. And if we select all category, it is also here. The home page, and you can see this is the blog. And if we go to here, and we can add comments like our first test comment, and we can add this. So you can see that comments, total number of comments 1,